Shinning SS6001 is special designed folding N95 style. Certified by CDC NIOSH and other certifications. It's safe and reliable to wear to get protection. Shinning has professional AI manufacture proccess to make better stitching and quality control. Reliable electrostatic filter, better process flow to make masks better. Also there are advanced testing laboratory and testing equipments. All with American and European standards. So it can get a good coverage and filtration effects. Can see clean brand and NIOSH TC number, layers are slightly thicker. The face of the mask looks with fine stitching process. The edges are neat and reliable, the seam of the edges is consistent. Special 3D cut and sturdy metal strip on the bridge of the nose is hidden to protect skin. And foam and inner on the back are soft and comfortable to touch. The headbands of the mask are laser hot stamped. Wide and firm, so can be pulled very long. Cut the mask, we can see 4 layers, the face layer, the structure layer, the filter layer, the skin-friendly layer. The face layer can protect from dust and water drops. The structure layer keep the structure from deformation. The filter layer is the most important layer. Melt-blown fabric filters micro 0.3 particulate matter, with electrostatic adsorption capacity. Can see the handwriting on it is darker because it traps carbon particles. The skin-friendly layer touch your skin, prevent from water vapor. Using the high-temperature gun, can see hot melt reaction on melt-blown fabric. It has a bit larger size than average, so it can get a good coverage for everyone. Easy carry and easy wearing, also economic choice for good protection. Shinning committed to providing standardized and quality N95 masks. N95 in stock has a good licensing relationship with Shinning. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do large quantities wholesale, OEM logo printing and personalized service.